Yeah, no problem. Okay, it will take about 10-15 minutes on that if it's okay for you. I just wanted to describe what I have done and then take it forward. See, as you know, it has been a 2-year effort, 2-year IT effort primarily on getting our business up and running. I obviously did not anticipate 2 years. I thought it will be much less than that, but it dragged on and dragged on. However, I think how we have roughly spent the 2 years is about 3 months has taken place in conceptualizing. 3 months has been taken in conceptualizing what my idea would be, and 6 months has actually taken place in developing the products. Another 6 months has been spent on implementing the development, and maybe the last 2 months I have spent on training the team. As I told you, there's a team of about 5 people. I have trained them completely. Before going to market, I have trained them totally, so that all of us hit the market on running on day one. And I think the training is also complete, and we are hitting the ground. And that's why we are starting off with. Well, we are starting off with so many things. We are also starting off on .Elixir. And I called you in the morning to tell you that I definitely wanted to present the first .Elixir to you. Okay, it's called .Elixir. Okay, what is .Elixir? .Elixir is nothing but a flagship product. Like any company would have flagship products. I'm sure, like in the airline industry also, there will be one flagship route. And there's this product we believe, I personally believe is fairly revolutionary. I will not use superlatives, but in my mind I would definitely want to use superlatives. Okay. Okay, very quickly, there are before that there are, see, the .Elixir file actually is like a pearl, is like a Kohinoor diamond. Okay, I have been a diver, okay, charting into uncharted waters, trying to hunt for the Kohinoor. On the way, I have found a lot of pearls and whatever in the way, in the sea floor. Some pearls are examples of products like choose health insurance, choose travel insurance, choose mutual funds, choose vehicle insurance, calculators on the net, buy online. All those are basically corals or small pearls which you have found on the way. But the main Kohinoor diamond, I mean, these are the others are incidental. Whatever I found is in the quest for the Kohinoor diamond. I have discovered all these products, and anyway, those are also online. I think some of that you might have seen that time. For example, last time you saw one of the products was choose MF or whatever. But the most important thing in the Kohinoor diamond is basically the .Elixir file. I call it .Elixir. I mean, of course, you can always change names and all. What is in a name? But this is my flagship product. Okay. Now, what is this product about? Without getting into too many details, of course, I'm going to give you a .Elixir file which you can use and play around with. First point which I want to mention is I believe that this file is future proof. Like waterproof, fireproof, whatever, it is future proof, which means when I'm giving it to a customer, I'm giving it to him or her for their whole life. And I believe that it will be of use for the whole life, irrespective of whatever technologies come. Okay. At the end of the day, I mean, me and you have always had this discussion about content versus presentation. As I'm talking to you now, all content is there. There is no presentation, so please excuse the. It will not be greatly appealing on the eye. So content is there, and at the end of the day, it is only an Excel file. The .Elixir file is nothing but an Excel file, and it is an Excel file which is sitting in the cloud. It is one Excel file, but a giant Excel file. It's a giant Excel file with several sheets and several information and all that. Okay, that's point number one. Point number two, it is like a bank locker. Okay, you have your bank locker, only you can access it with your key, plus the bank manager can also access the bank locker. So it is like a bank locker which only you, I am giving it to 100,000 customers. Like it's like 100,000 lockers, only that customer and me at Elixir, only one ID can access that. Okay, it is sitting in the cloud. Okay, I make two assumptions here. Assumption number one is that people know to use Excel. Assumption number two is that people have Gmail IDs. Because the key for you to use your .Elixir file, that I said locker, no? That locker or the key is nothing but your Gmail ID. You have your Gmail ID and password, and you will be able to go into that .elixir file. Okay. Accessing that locker and key is that bank locker is not complicated. It's very simple. You don't need to go through my site. You don't need to do anything at all. It is like a personal website. All you need to do is to type in your browser e.es22.com/s109031972. So the minute you type that, you would be able to go directly into your .elixir file. Okay, this is the next point. Okay, now what is this .elixir file all about? This .elixir file is, I told you, is nothing but an Excel file with several sheets and all. Okay, the first sheet basically contains all your information. Okay, I believe that human beings have three types of information. One is information which cannot be changed. For example, your name is permanent. Your date of birth is permanent. Your vehicle purchase date is permanent. The vehicle CC is permanent. Your spouse name is permanent. Okay, so a lot of permanent data is there. That is permanent data. There is another set of data which changes manually on the basis of whatever happens to you. For example, your address. That's something which manually changes. Your company, as long as you are there in the company, fine. Otherwise, when you change your company, it manually changes. There is a third kind of data which is automatic. Automatic means, for example, your age automatically changes based on time. Derived value, correct. So therefore, this file has, the first sheet of this file has all your values, which is both automatic value, permanent values, and manual values. So if at all any manual value, like you have changed your address or whatever, you will have to go into that file and change that. Because while technology is there, the technology is not that much advanced in life, which will detect that you have moved your address from Banaspati to Indiranagar and therefore pick up the data from the cloud. That it will not do, but everything else it will pick up. Okay, so therefore the .elixir file in the first sheet has all your information. Now this information is fairly varied because I do the entire set of financial planning. I also do recruitment services. So there are, for any individual, I'm a B2C company. So for any individual, there are about 150 pieces of data which are relevant for me. I am not saying that somebody fills up the 150 data at one go. One can start even by filling only 4 or 5 data. But to get the full benefit of the .elixir file, it is best to fill that 150 data. But of course you can start with only 4. Because as I go along and tell you what are the features, perhaps you will get clarity of why those 150 features are needed. Some of the data would be your name, your mobile number, your email ID, your date of birth, your spouse date of birth, your anniversary date, your father's name, your father's age, your kid's name, date of birth, or basically data pertaining to an individual. Your income, within the income, your HRA, previous life insurance policy value which you have taken, whatever it is, all data which will be there in sheet 1. That is the next part. So therefore it will have your data, and the data can be updated or corrected manually by either you or me. If I come to know that you have changed your address, I can also, I means elixir person can also change that. You can also change it at your end, because only 2 of us have access to that. Okay. Now, so what is this information is there and what does it do? The first thing it does is that it is it is sitting in the cloud, and it auto picks up information from everywhere else in the cloud. Let me give you some examples based on the products which I sell. I today have a comparison product for travel insurance, let's say for health insurance, let's say for vehicle insurance, whatever, where I have competitors like a Policy Bazaar, like an Insurance Pundit. Correct? What do these people do? These people have you actually enter their site and go to the particular whatever policy requirement you want, enter your particulars, and then they will throw out comparisons. You agree with me? Okay. This whereas on the other hand, my .elixir file, which is there only for you, All you need is to open the file and look at, let's say, one sheet, sheet 2. The health insurance which is relevant for you across several companies, relevant for your age, will be displayed. The vehicle insurance relevant for your vehicle as per the vehicle's age and CC. For example, sheet 1 will have data of whether the vehicle has had a no claim bonus or no. Things like that. So based on that, I believe that my customers do not need to enter data anywhere else at all. I am not saying they buy it through me. All I am saying is you don't even need to take that little effort and key in the values so that data gets thrown out of a policybazaar.com. Since the data is already available in sheet 1, the minute you enter your .elexa file, any point of time in life, now or future or 10 years from now, 15 years from now, the data which is applicable to you, relevant to you, a comparison across several companies is what is thrown out. Have you understood that point? Excellent, great. So therefore it picks up. Now that is step 1. Step 2, which is even more important, and I would want you to think about it yourself. You decide that you want to do business, you want to take health insurance or travel insurance or vehicle insurance online, and you go to a Policy Bazaar or you go to Insurance Market and you look at the values. You are at the mercy of the website administrator. That website administrator needs to have updated, supposing, because companies change their insurance premium rates every 6 months. Yeah, life insurance, for example. In fact, I got 2 life insurance comparisons. This thing in my website as well. Health insurance 8 irukku, travel insurance I got 7, vehicle insurance I got 4. So which means for Sundar's Fiat Palio, he doesn't need to go and compare. He just needs to go and see his bank locker, and the data would be there automatically. That's one part. But I said the second step. Now second step is that you will need to depend on an insurance pundit for its values to be the same as the value of the company. Do you agree with me? When you go to a Policy Bazaar, supposing an Apollo Munich had changed its rates, let's say 1 week back, you do not know whether the Policy Bazaar rate is the same as the real Apollo Munich rate. What I have done is I have taken it a further step forward, where all my rates are basically derived rates from the company websites, which means whatever premium rate is there in the company HTML page what will be there in your .elexa file, which means it is, I believe it's live data. Of course, Sundar can come back and tell me, or a customer can come back and tell me that what if the company itself has not changed in its website. Then I can do nothing about it. All I am saying is, मैं डायरेक्ट जाता हूँ, डायरेक्ट कंपनी का जो रेट है आपका .elexa फाइल में applicable for your age of 38 will be there. Company का data applicable for your father's age and mother's age of 78 and 72, whatever it is, that will be there. And across several companies, of course. So therefore, the first key message is, and across products, across health insurance and life insurance and travel insurance and vehicle insurance, as I said, it's comparison, and that sheet gives the data applicable for you and the data which is live, which is the real data, which is the data as per the websites of the companies. Personal information. Okay, I do not know if anybody has this kind of file. I would be very happy to look at it if there is. That's number 2. The second thing which I do. The third thing which is there in my file is, it is a hexagon. It is a Manappuram. It is a Karvi. It is a Bajaj Capital. I am sure you have heard of Bajaj Capital 360-degree financial planning and all that. I am sure that you have also sat with the hexagon on their financial planning. Okay, I have been in the financial services industry all my life. Where I have used tens of hundreds of financial planning calculators. They vary from things like, I'm sure you have been through that, so I'm just telling you. They vary from things like how much you need to save every month to build up retirement corpus of so and so. What is your savings now? How much of savings you should keep aside for emergency? What is your liquidity ratio currently? How much? What are your goals towards your children's marriage, education? Blah 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 blah. What is your goal 1? What is your goal 2? What is your goal 3? What dates are those goals? Basically, the entire rigmarole of financial planning tools. What happens today in real life is that Hexagon, while it charges 15,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, whatever it is, International Money Matters charges money. They go and sit with the clients every